Hello guys, today this is the conversation in Spanish, and this is the last words I'm going to say in English until the end of the video. Anyways, I'm going to use my Spanish the best I can. Yeah. So, sorry. Hola amigos. So hard. Gotta think, come on. Alright. Hola amigos. O lo que tienen. Hoy estoy haciendo un video en español porque pido cualquier manera el cuento largo que fue violada por un chimpancé. Y para ser honesto, me ha gustado mucho. De todas formas, no se olvide de suscribirse. I don't know how to say subscribe. Anyways, y de ya un similares until próxima vez que se te color rojo lenguado. Anyways, guys, that was my Spanish. Tell me how I did. I know I didn't do perfect, but tell me how I did for not having English my first language. And yeah. Anyways, till next time. Peace.